I figure he's gonna go first. He chooses to play last. Interesting. Well, this hand's capable enough. Oh yeah, well he has a lot of removal, so he can just wait until I do stuff. Yeah. You can't counter that. I mean, you can't destroy that. Of course, maybe in one of the later sets they'll print a like, oh, you have to sacrifice an artifact to get around that whole thing. But until then, okay, I gotta start drawing other stuff. That's probably gonna get Galactic Blast. Oh, guess not. Ooh, Embersmith. Embersmith. Not cool. Gotta stop drawing these spells. Yeah. I'm gonna swing in. Get my damage done. Get my damage done. Go ahead, block. No. Go ahead. Oh, that's dumb. I could tap it to prevent damage to it. Yeah, that's dumb. Oh well. I'll kill that mirror. I'll kill that mirror instead. That's kind of dumb. Man, squandered that opportunity. Anyways, he's springing in. Okay, cool. Is he splashing blue, or is he just playing it as acceleration? Gotta stop drawing lands. Gotta stop drawing lands. I'm not sure if that lost me the game. But his deck is sick. His deck is sick. Skin render. Skin render. No. Berserkers. Berserkers. Ooh. Iron Mirror. Iron Mirror. I'll take 3. I'd rather leave the Spirit mana up. Of course, now he has another artifact. He could ping that, but Reaver. I'm not going to disperse that. Not yet, I don't have to. Fume Spitter. Glintalk? That's a thing. Alright, let's try equipping this bad boy. You're gonna sack a response? Okay. Yeah, I get it. Yep. Yep. Mm-hmm. I guess I'll trade the Berserkers now. Okay. Now swinging for 2, unless you want to shatter that. Okay, nope. Alright. Now you're going to shatter it. I will protect my Glinthawk Idol. I think that's Okay, I could disperse that. Let me think. I could disperse that. I'll take 5, 7. I think I'd rather let that die and bounce back one of his creatures. I think it's the only chance I have. Yep, I think this is the only chance I have. His deck's really good. His deck's really good. I cannot reiterate that enough. I swing one more time, and then I have to play defense. Yeah. Oh, Helion. Yep, that's game. I don't think I was coming back from this game anyways. His deck has way too much removal. Let him get the win. Shatters and Defection. Okay. Yeah, so it wouldn't really mattered. Yeah, it wouldn't matter. He has way too much removal. He doesn't have any artifacts besides Mana Mirror. I still kind of think I need Exit Scrap Matter just as a blocker. Yeah. There's nothing. There still is nothing really I can put in this. I can put it in one of my other creatures, like red creatures. Let me see my things. Yeah. Yeah. Man. I could put Soul Parry. It's he's way too much removal though. I don't know if it can. Yeah, man. It's just so much. It's just so much. I could put in Scrap Diver Serpent, I suppose. Let me see. I don't know. I don't know. Oh man. Jeez. I'm just gonna go with this one more time. Jeez. Yeah, I don't know. I really don't know what else I can do.